Green Iowa AmeriCorps looks to educate and increase sustainability, and so specifically in the Sustainable Schools branch, we actually work with every grade level, K through 12, and so the kindergartners each year get to plant a tree as a class. The biggest goal is just focusing on environmental education and telling the kids about how trees support wildlife and pollinators, and they sequester carbon and release oxygen, which we breathe. They provide shade and are nice to look at. They also clean the air and clean the water. And just getting kids excited about the trees that are on their school campuses. They got to take cups and water the tree, and each kindergarten class got to name their tree. So the kids get really excited about it. Our most recent class actually sang to their tree. I think it's really important for students to get outside and be able to experience the nature that is around them, especially with the last year we've had. And so it's really important for kids to have that tactile education and be able to touch the dirt and touch the plants, and learn about how those plants grow and how they can help those plants grow. At Van Allen Elementary, we work with 4th through 6th graders on a green team. They've looked into what is climate change, what causes it. We've learned about our own personal carbon footprint, and that was a huge project that the green team took on. They created educational posters that we hung around their school. We have a green team across the 3 junior highs. We meet virtually once a week, and the students have all created their own independent projects. We had students who were really passionate about prairie restoration, and so they've created presentations for the elementary schools, so that when we go and plant prairie plants at the schools and expand the prairies, the students learn about the importance of restoring prairies and protecting prairies. We also talked about the climate action plan that the Iowa City Community School District has, and it focuses on where the greenhouse gases are coming from that the school emits. And so a set of students was really excited about solar energy. They plan to present to the school board their findings on the best solar panel locations in the fall. So then at the high schools, there's a garden at each high school that we've been working with. All these students learn how to use shovels and pound in posts and a bunch of other practical life skills that you just don't necessarily get in the classroom. And I think just working in the dirt and reconnecting with nature is a really influential experience. I hope especially the older students really gain a sense of empowerment, because as students in a fairly large school district, it can be really easy to feel insignificant, and especially when trying to tackle as big of an issue as climate change. Feeling insignificant is just kind of part of the process. And these students have a lot more power in the decisions that the district makes than they think they do.